Hi guys, welcome back to Eat Your Cuppa with me Nambie. In today's video, I am going to make a meat pickle. I'm making meat pickle out of beef. You can make this pickle out of any meat of your choice. And this recipe is not a traditional recipe per se. It's a recipe that my mum has improvised. And trust me, it's delicious and I hope you guys enjoy this video. The ingredients required to make this dish are 1 kg of beef that has been boiled and shredded, 1.5 tablespoon of salt, 2 tablespoon of equal portions of fenugreek seeds and jeera that has been roasted and pounded, 2.5 tablespoon of chili powder, you can add more if you like, and a juice of 1 lemon that will come to 250 ml of mustard oil, and about a teaspoon of turmeric powder that is completely optional. First things first, let's pour in the mustard oil and allow it to heat so that the raw smell of it goes away. Once the oil heats, you can add the meat and stir it really well. Now let's add the rest of the ingredients. Chili powder. Give it a good stir and allow the juices of the meat to dry up. This should take about 10 to 15 minutes in a high flame. You can add in half a teaspoon of turmeric for coloring. You know that your dish is ready once the juices of the meat is completely dried out and the oil separates. Looks like our dish is ready. Now let's give it a try. It's hot. It's delicious. I'm going to give it another 5 minutes and your dish is ready. Oh, even you want to come. Even you want to come. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next episode with more amazing recipes from the Northeast. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share.